Hi guys, today we'll start with a totally new topic that is on arrays. Arrays is a very important concept that you need to know when you're working with a lot of data in Python. Yeah, it can be thought of as uh, anything. If you remember in C++ plus plus or Java, unlike that. Python does not have built-in support for it. So, however, Python has several data types like lists, tuples that are often used as arrays. But items stored in these types of sequences need not be of the same type. Yeah. So we do not have the same type in list. So we may have a mix of characters, strings, or numbers, or a list within a list, or a list tuple within a list, or a list within a tuple. Yeah. So in addition, we can manipulate arrays. Yeah, create and manipulate arrays by using the array module. So there is an array module that we have. So there is not a special function or a data type that could be used as array, but we have a module which can be used to create arrays. Okay, so before we move ahead with how arrays work and we try to understand the methods, yeah, we try to understand what are arrays. So an array is a container which can hold a fixed number of items based on the length that you specified, and this item should be of the same type. So it if it holds number, then it has to be all numbers. If it holds string, then it has to be all string. So each item stored in the array is called an element, and they can be of any type, including integers, floats, strings, etc. Yeah. Now, these elements are stored at contiguous memory location. Yeah. Each location of an element in an array has a numerical index starting from 0. Okay. So we'll see how it is represented. Yeah. So array usually is represented by, so let me just put it this way. So arrays are represented as a collection of multiple containers, as I said. Usually, I'll show you a diagrammatic representation which will help you to understand how arrays look like. So remove the. So this is how it looks like. So suppose I have this array, which is this entire thing. Yeah. So this is the type. So integer is the type in which the array element should be stored. So all should be integers. Array is the name of the array. 10 is the size. So it can have 10 elements. Int shows the data type of the element stored, and 10 shows the number of elements that has to be there. And all the array starts from the indexing 0. So if there are 10 elements, it would be from 0 to 9. Okay. So from this illustration, we can see that index starts with 0. Array length is at 10. Yeah. Each element can be accessed via an index. Yeah. So if I have to access this 27 number, then I have to refer the index number 6. Okay. So these are the 3 points that you need to remember. Index starts with 0. Array length is 10 in the above example. Yeah. Which means it stored 10 elements. Yeah. So the length that you specify within this bracket is the number of elements that you can store in that array. Yeah. And each element can be accessed via this index numbers. Yeah. Hope you understood what do you mean by array and what are being stored in this array. In our subsequent videos, we'll try to understand how we can create an array, how we can access array. So further videos will try to understand the following things. Uh, is how to creating arrays, then access array items. Yeah. Then we'll check how to remove array items. Yeah. Then we'll check how to loop arrays, uh, copy arrays, reverse arrays, sort arrays. Then we will check how to join arrays. But usually, as I said, first we'll try to understand the various methods. So array methods, which I have specified at the last, that is what we'll start with. Okay. So in the subsequent chapters, we will first try to see how we can create arrays, and then we'll check on the array methods. Okay. So hope to see you in the next video. Let's start working on this new concept, which will help you to work on the data much easier. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Do like, subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos and get the subsequent topics on this video as well. Thank you so much.